Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your academic journey with Pearson, detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your academic journey with Pearson, begin by creating an account on Pearson's official website. Visit the home page and locate the Sign Up button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Verify your email to activate your account. Once logged in, explore the products and services tailored to your educational needs. Select the appropriate course materials or resources that align with your academic goals. Check if your institution offers access to Pearson materials, as many schools partner with Pearson for specific programs. Utilize Pearson's mobile apps for easy access to your resources on the go. Familiarize yourself with the digital tools available, such as study aids and interactive content. Consider joining online forums or study groups within the Pearson community to enhance your learning experience. Stay updated on Pearson's latest offerings by subscribing to their newsletters or following them on social media. Regularly review your progress using the analytics tools provided in your account dashboard. Reach out to Pearson's customer support for assistance with any technical or content-related issues. Make use of Pearson's academic support services, including tutoring or writing assistance if needed. Establish a study schedule that incorporates Pearson's resources to maximize your learning efficiency. Engage with other students who use Pearson materials to share insights and strategies. Keep track of deadlines and course requirements to ensure you are fully utilizing your Pearson resources. Apply for any available scholarships or financial aid options that may be offered through Pearson. Finally, always advocate for yourself and seek help when necessary to stay on track in your academic journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.